Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Today I've got another great seed bead technique for you. This one is called tubular netting stitch. Basically, we're going to create a net that forms a tube. It could be a finger trap, I think. All right, this one's a pretty easy one to do. I'm not going to show you a whole project. I'm just going to show you how to do this technique so you can take your creativity and go out and get crazy. So to start it, I'm going to start out with one color A and two color Bs. I'm going to do that a total of 4 times. So an A, 2 Bs, an A, 2 Bs, an A, and 2 Bs. I'll move that down toward the end of my thread. By the way, this is Smoke Fireline 6-pound. You could use a 3-pound just as easily. I just did the 6 because I want you to be able to see it, and a thicker thread's easier to see on camera. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go through these beads the same direction to form a loop. I want a circle of beads to start a tube. What a concept. Just makes sense, doesn't it? And I've got my little circle of beads. Tie a knot. Oops, I didn't get through all the beads. Wait, I missed one. Come here, little guy. I don't want to leave you out. There you are. Now I have a proper circle. And I'm going to make a surgeon's knot, which starts out as a simple little knot like that, tie it nice and tight. And then the next part of that square knot is to make a basic knot, but then loop that over one more time, and that's what makes it a surgeon's knot. And that doesn't slip as easily, hence the reason why surgeons like to use it. Pull that nice and tight. So here we have just a circle tied into a nice tight knot, and I'm going to pick up a B, an A, and a B. I'm going to go through this A, making sort of a little triangle. So there's my triangle piece right there. Then I'm going to do that again. B, A, B, and through the A. There we go. And again, B, A, B, and through the A. B, A, B. I'm going to get my tail out of the way there. And through the A. Not only through the A, but also up. We finished one complete row. One complete row. And it's time to do our step up. So we're going to go through the next 2 beads to make our step up. At this point, we're going to start making this up into a tube. So I find it's a little bit easier if I put a tube inside of here to help me keep everything in line. So I've done my step up. I'm coming out of an A. And again, we'll add a B, an A, a B, and we're going to go through the next A, and that's going to start drawing everything up into a tube. There we go. B, A, B, and through the next A. That is my next A right there. And see, there's where my tube starts going up. Again, B, A, B, and through the next A, which is sticking out over here on the side. Right there. And again, B, A, B, through the next A. That's that one right there. Starting to form the tube. B, A, B, and through the next A, which is actually this one right here. Can everyone see that? That's this one right here. And this finishes this row. That finishes that row, so we have to do our step up. I've just come out of this bead. I'm going to go up through these 2 beads to do my step up to the next row. There we go. So that is a completed row, and we can start again with the BAB. B, A, B, and like you can see, the toughest part is really the step-ups and remembering where they go. Going through there. B, A, B, and through there. B, A, B. There we go. There we go. B, A, B, and this finishes this row here. So the bead to go through this time is this A colored bead right here. And do your step up. The step up is through the next 2 beads. And we're ready to start another row of BABs. So there's a tiny little net, and you can see how that, with a little more time, becomes this net. So that's the technique. I hope you can take that technique, create your own beautiful piece of jewelry. Let us know how you did. I hope you come and join us anytime you want to see these techniques and many others at firemountaingems.com. Thanks for joining me. Happy beading.